Welcome to our fourth video in the C# programming series. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamental concept of variables and data types in programming. Understanding variables is crucial as they allow us to store and manipulate data within our programs. Join us as we dive into the world of variables and data types in C#. Whenever we need to temporarily store data in our program, variables come into play. Variables act as intermediaries through which we can access a portion of the device's RAM, random access memory, on which the program is running and store a value in it. Please note that permanent data storage is a separate topic from variables. Variables only store information for us temporarily as long as our program is running, and their data is lost after the program is closed. Permanent data storage involves different mechanisms and techniques, such as databases or file systems, to store and retrieve data even after the program has terminated. Declaring variables. To define a variable in C#, you first need to specify the data type you want. Then, you give a name to your variable and end the statement with a semicolon, which indicates the end of the statement. Now, your variable is defined in the program. Now, for a better understanding of this topic, let's consider an example. Before this example, it is necessary for you to familiarize yourself with data types. Data types determine the type of data we want to store. For example, the data type string indicates that we are referring to textual data consisting of a sequence of characters. Or, to refer to numerical data, we use the data type int. I will provide more explanations about other data types and their differences in the next video. Now, in this example, we want to store a textual data in RAM, then read the stored value from RAM and finally display it in the terminal. To do this, using the given syntax, we first define a variable of type string and name it text. Now, we want to store a value in the created variable. To do this, we simply use the assignment operator equals and assign text to the desired text. Please note that in C#, when writing a textual data, you must enclose the text within double quotation marks so that the compiler considers it as a textual data. Also, we end the statement with a semicolon to indicate the end of the statement. Now, it's time to display the stored value in the terminal. To do this, we can use the console.readline statement and pass the text variable as the argument, without double quotation marks. This way, we refer to the value that has been assigned to text. By writing this code and running the program, you will see that the output of our program is the text stored in the RAM. We can define a variable and assign its value in just one line. We can use the following syntax: simply replace value with your desired value, and it will be stored in the specified variable. For example, let's implement the same previous program using this method to reduce the number of lines. You can see the code below. In this case, we declare and assign the value to the variable text in a more concise way. Then, using the statement console.readline text, we display the value of the text variable in the terminal. By using this method, we can implement the program with fewer lines of code. In this video, we have explored the fundamental concept of variables and data types in C# programming. We have learned how variables allow us to store and manipulate data and discussed different data types available in C#. By understanding variables, we gain the ability to create dynamic and interactive programs. Next in this course, we will delve into data types and their differences. I hope this video has been helpful to you and familiarized you with the concept of variables in programming. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!